So today we'll be talking about creativity. So human mind has born with the ability to think. So creativity refers to miraculous power of human mind, creative mind to generate innovative new ideas resulting into innovative products. So somewhere down the line creativity has to do with innovation, innovative products and things like that. So the main important part is creativity. We often see some people wearing some dress, we find them creative. Some people have uh, you know creative approach towards life, towards job. Some of the people are born with this creative talent and the other people develop that. So let us see, since creativity has to do with human mind and it is related to the miraculous power of human mind, so let us see some of the characteristic of creativity. So the first characteristic of creativity is it refers to innate mind power which can be developed through practice. Now there is a one group of people who believe that creativity has innate. I mean to say innate means by born. So few people are born with that kind of a approach. So they dress always something. So we see them dressed, so we find them very special. Few people prepare for their interviews and with no preparation they always perform well. So this is kind of a natural talent, by inborn talent few people have. However, uh, I also believe that, and even the characteristic also mentions that we also develop creativity through practice. Let us take an example of NID. So NID is a National Institute of Design and offering master's and bachelor level design course. Now, NID during one of their course asked their students to capture 100 pictures, and when they capture those pictures they'll have to present to their faculties and jury members. So basically the idea is that whenever they take a picture they will think about why they are taking a picture and they have to justify the reasons. So the point is that the entire exercise is making students to think differently, have developed that critical, develop that creative thinking ability. So this is a kind of an example where through practice students develop that creative approach. So that's the first characteristic where we are talking about it is in innate mind power, however that can be developed through practice. Like a lot of courses are designed like NID where different exercises, different assignments, different subjects are offered in a manner so that students develop creativity through practice. The second characteristic is about, it is a second characteristic of creativity is essential to develop alternative solution through divergent thinking. Now, divergent thinking is something where you don't limit, you don't restrict your thoughts, you let your thoughts flow freely. So that's the basics of divergent thinking. Now, a lot of organizations, a lot of companies are encouraging their employees to think and use this divergent thinking technique where they will use this, uh, free thinking to come up with alternative solutions. So the point is that this is one of the important characteristic of creativity where divergent thinking is used to create alternative solutions. So that's the second characteristic. The third characteristic of creativity is it develops new and original ideas that never existed before. So let us take an example of Italian inventor Turi. So that inventor, Italian innovator, came up with the idea of typewriter. So basically he wanted to make that typewriter for his blind friend. Now, nobody before thought about anything like typewriter, and that typewriter too he thought about for blind people, and then gradually computers, keyboard, mobile phones, touch phones, everything came on the basis of the typewriter. So the point is that before Turi, nobody thought about typewriter. The another example, just to understand this third characteristic, is that American innovator Winston, who is also considered as father of internet. So basically he and his wife both are deaf. So they wanted to communicate, and he was the one who first wrote a, you know, a email code, and that code he used to use that code for communicating with his wife. So basically, email was initially conceptualized by that innovator to communicate with his wife, and later on everybody is using email nowadays. So the point is that that kind of a creative approach used to develop new and original ideas that never existed before. The fourth characteristic of creativity is it is called art rather than a science. Now, I mean, if I hold something and I let it uh, free fall, then the basic science is telling that the thing which about to free fall will go down because of gravitational effect. So that's a very straightforward and scientific answer. So there is no uh, surrounding answer could be possible to explain this phenomena. Now, the artistic approach, the creative approach is like you do not have a specific answer. You, I mean, the artistic way you think about all the possible solutions, you think about your imagination to play a very important role in your thinking process. So basically musicians, musicians or film directors, animators, graphic designers, all the creative disciplines use this artistic approach to, develop their creativity or express their creativity uh, in their job profile. So basically the fourth point is trying to say that creativity is an art rather than a science. The fifth and one of the important characteristic of creativity is that only those creative ideas which are profitable should be put to practice. I mean, I can come up with an idea to develop a mobile phone which has a 1 terabyte of memory and 1 year of battery life. However, when I work on a real level on that uh, problem or project, I'll come up with a prototype which is costing more than 10 lakhs. The point is that the similar kind of ideas are creative, but they are not practical or they are not profitable. So only those creative ideas which are profitable should be put into practice. That is the main point. So all these five characteristics are giving us, the way that creativity has to do with, miraculous power of human mind, and we use creative mind to generate innovative new ideas.